Hey everyone, quick question. Imagine you're a busy hairstylist, a personal trainer, a massage therapist, or really anyone who relies on booked appointments to run their business. You're juggling clients, scheduling, payments, and trying to keep your sanity. Now, you hear about Square Appointments, this magical tool that promises to streamline everything. But you're on the go, always on your phone. So, the burning question is there an app for Square Appointments? Or are you stuck tethered to a laptop? That's what we're diving into today. Let's be real, the world runs on apps. We order food, we manage our finances, we even find love, all from the palm of our hand. So, when a business tool like Square Appointments comes along, it's only natural to wonder if it fits into that mobile-first lifestyle. Because, let's face it, no one wants to be glued to a desktop when they could be managing their business from anywhere. Now, Square Appointments itself is a powerful platform. It's designed to simplify appointment scheduling, payment processing, and even client communication. It's a lifesaver for businesses that depend on booked services. You can set your availability, let clients book online, send reminders, and even take payments, all within the Square ecosystem. It's meant to be an all-in-one solution. But the crucial piece of the puzzle is accessibility. How accessible is it, really, when you're not sitting at a desk? Think about it. You're a mobile dog groomer. You're driving between appointments, and a client texts you wanting to reschedule. Do you pull over, fumble with a laptop, and risk losing precious time? Or, wouldn't it be amazing to just pull out your phone, open an app, and handle it in seconds? That's the kind of flexibility we're talking about. And it's not just about convenience. It's about efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, time is money. Being able to manage your appointments on the go means you can respond to clients faster, fill last-minute cancellations, and ultimately, boost your revenue. Imagine being able to see your schedule, accept bookings, and process payments right after finishing a session from your phone. That's the power of a mobile app. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Does Square Appointments deliver on this mobile promise? The answer is yes, and with a bit of nuance. Square does offer a mobile app, but it's not a standalone Square Appointments app in the traditional sense. Instead, Square Appointments is integrated into the main Square Point of Sale app, or Square POS app. Now, this might sound a bit confusing at first. You might be thinking, wait, I just want to manage appointments. Why do I need a POS app? But here's the thing. Square is designed to be a comprehensive business solution. It's not just about scheduling. It's about handling all aspects of your business, from appointments to payments to inventory. And the Square POS app is the central hub for all of that. So what does this mean for you? It means you can manage your appointments, view your calendar, send confirmations, and even process payments, all within the same app you use for other Square transactions. It's a unified experience designed to streamline your workflow. Let's break down exactly what you can do with Square Appointments through the Square POS app. First and foremost, you can view your schedule. You can see all your upcoming appointments, filter by date, and even view client details. This is crucial for staying organized and ensuring you're always on top of your schedule. Secondly, you can book and manage appointments. You can add new appointments, reschedule existing ones, and even cancel appointments if needed. This gives you the flexibility to adapt to changes and keep your schedule up to date, even when you're on the move. Thirdly, you can send confirmations and reminders. This is a game changer for reducing no-shows. You can automatically send text or email reminders to clients, ensuring they don't forget their appointments. This not only saves you time, but also boosts your revenue by minimizing missed appointments. Fourthly, and perhaps most importantly, you can process payments. You can take payments for services directly through the app, whether it's a card payment, cash, or even a digital wallet. This streamlines your payment process and ensures you get paid promptly. And it's not just about the basics. The Square POS app also offers a range of other features that enhance your appointment management. You can view client history, track sales, and even generate reports. This gives you valuable insights into your business performance and helps you make informed decisions. Now, here's where the nuance comes in. While the Square POS app is powerful, it's not specifically tailored for appointment-heavy businesses. Some users might find the interface a bit overwhelming, especially if they're only interested in managing appointments. The app is designed for a broader range of business needs, so you might need to navigate through a few menus to find the appointment-related features. However, Square is constantly updating its app and adding new features. They're committed to improving the user experience and making it easier for businesses to manage their appointments. And, for many users, the convenience of having everything in one app outweighs any minor inconveniences. So, is there an app for Square Appointments? Yes, absolutely. It's integrated into the Square POS app, giving you the flexibility to manage your appointments from anywhere. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your scheduling, boost your efficiency, and ultimately, help you grow your business. Now, if you're new to Square Appointments or if you're considering switching to it, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, download the Square POS app from your App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Second, set up your Square account and link your bank account. This is essential for processing payments and managing your finances. Third, customize your appointment settings. You can set your availability, create service categories, and even add staff members. And finally, explore the app and familiarize yourself with its features. Square offers a wealth of resources and tutorials to help you get started. And if you're already using Square Appointments, take advantage of the mobile app to its fullest potential. Use it to manage your schedule on the go, send reminders to clients, and process payments instantly. This will not only save you time, but also enhance your client experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.